river flood product for the following counties in South Carolina: Anderson and Greenville. Flood warning in effect from Friday morning to early Sunday morning. What? Moderate flooding is forecast. Where? Saluda River at West Pelzer. When? From Friday morning to early Sunday morning. Impact at 16.3 feet. Moderate flooding begins. First floor of the lowest house in the Pelzer Lake area where Lemon and Anchor Streets come together may be flooded. Additional details at 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. The stage was 5.5 feet and nearly steady. Action advisory stage is 9.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above minor flood stage late Friday morning to moderate flood stage and the crest of 16.0 feet early Saturday morning. It will then fall below minor flood stage Saturday evening. Note, there is the potential for the crest to approach 17 feet. Minor flood stage is 12.0 feet. Moderate flood stage is 16.0 feet. Major flood stage is 20.0 feet. The Saluda River reached 13.36 feet on February 7, 2020, which is the most significant flood this century. This is an incredibly dangerous situation. Rainfall and resultant flooding has the potential to be a once-in-a-lifetime event, especially upstream of Piedmont, South Carolina. This warning will be in effect until the river falls below its action advisory stage.
In order to
Storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following areas in North Carolina: Avery, Buncombe, Burke Mountains, Caldwell Mountains, Catawba, Cleveland, Eastern McDowell, Eastern Polk, Gaston, Graham, Greater Burke, Greater Caldwell, Greater Rutherford, Haywood, Henderson, Lincoln, Macon, Madison, McDowell Mountains, Mecklenburg, Mitchell, Northern Jackson, Polk Mountains, Rutherford Mountains, Southern Jackson, Swain, Transylvania, Union and Yancey, and the following areas in Georgia: Albert, Franklin, Habersham, Hart, Rabin and Stevens, and the following areas in South Carolina: Abbeville, Anderson, Central Greenville, Cherokee, Chester, Greater Oconee, Greater Pickens, Greenville Mountains, Greenwood, Laurens, Northern Spartanburg, Oconee Mountains, Pickens Mountains, Southern Greenville, Southern Spartanburg, Union and York.